Okay, just to give you a sense of how quiet the show is right now, this is one of the main roads. It's pretty much empty. I mean, we were here 2 years ago, and holy moly. Now, it is Thursday.
It is Thursday.
We will be back on Saturday, so we'll see how different it is. But right now, very comfortable here. So we are going into the open range and Highland Ridge area here. And they do have fifth wheels.
Yep, and Open Range has a few family-friendly fifth wheels.
We don't know if they have, oh, these are travel trailers. Okay, here we go. Yeah, so let's see if we can find any bunkhouses.
Let's do it.
Alrighty, we've got a open range roamer. So it's not that, it's the 354 MBH. So it's a mid bunk of some sort. I don't think I've ever seen this floor plan. All right, so the mid bunk is there. We'll get to that in a second.
It has 2 doors.
Okay, the fridge is right here. I'm not used to that. That's interesting. Okay.
You kind of don't have a view of your living side.
Yeah. So this is one thing. When we were buying our travel trailer, one of the things we liked was the kitchen on that side, because this is your side of the campsite. Like, this is your campsite here. If you think about it, over here is your sewer connection and then your neighbor's campsite.
Yep.
So that's where your nice big windows are. It would be nice if you could like pull up next to a lake or whatever.
Yeah, because then you're looking out on prettiness.
Yeah.
But
so nice windows
in here, so you have a lot of space.
Yeah.
There's room enough for the kids to sit here.
There's room for a much larger TV. Look at it's not inset, like it's not in the way of anything. You could even come all the way out here, because that's just the slide. It could just be in front of the slide. You could put a massive TV in here. That would be great.
Massive TVs are your thing. So this is kind of like a hybrid of the white and the dark.
Yeah.
In here, so
yeah, it's not too bad. Not too bad.
Yeah.
It's a little heavy in that area, but I understand putting the dark around the TV though. And then, oh, are there 2 doors?
There's 2 doors to the mid bunk.
2 doors to the mid bunk.
Yeah.
Huh.
And the mid bunk has a dinette.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, and it converts to a bed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it's a deeper bed. Like, that's a pretty deep slide.
It really is. Yeah, so I'm 6 feet tall, so my arm's what, like
3 feet tall.
3 feet-ish? That's deep.
Yeah.
So this is more, so normally these bunks are like a 30-inch deep. This is probably a 36.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's deep.
Windows on both sides, which is nice.
So this will drop down onto here.
Yeah, but it gives them a space, and then this flips up just like normal. Oh.
There's cable. There's coax here, so I'm assuming there's a backer right there to put a TV in here, or you could bolt it to that.
Pull that drawer out on the bottom. Let me see if that's big enough to put all their.
There's no loft on this one, is there?
There's no loft.
Yeah, because there's.
It's really tall, and it's a really tall slide. So.
Big drawers.
Yeah, they're bigger than the drawers we had in the Class A.
Not a bad mid bunk, but
no loft, no space for Tara.
They can do this tall slide with this high bunk.
Yeah.
Because there's no loft up above.
Yep.
All right. Coat closet.
Yeah, it's a bit deeper than normal.
Woo!
Fit it proper.
Kitty controls.
Oh, that's for the children to just play with.
That's really.
How do they put them so low? Oh, then it gets real tight up in here. So yeah, no loft.
Oh, this is skinny.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. It gets real tight in here.
Yeah, the wall comes in.
Oh, there's a big space here.
All right. Okay, hold on. Here, take the camera.
Oh.
See this balance right here? These are my shoulders. I am this wide.
even if he wasn't chubby.
Yeah, no, this is bone. There's bones here. Yeah, that's done.
Tight. But you come in here to this bathroom.
You got a drunk octopus up here.
Yes.
You ever looked closely at those? They look like a drunk octopus.
A drunk octopus that's really ready to fight.
It's 2 little eyes like, oh, I'm gonna fight you.
Is he Scottish?
Okay, so, first one toilet.
And big, huge closet you can put washer dryer.
Why don't more RVs or manufacturers use like folding doors and accordion doors and stuff? Because you know, like in houses, they put these in front of like washer dryer little cubbies all the time. You can have a big door that doesn't block everything.
Doesn't impede.
Yeah. So washer dryer. The dryer vent goes down through the floor.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, down in the back.
Okay.
This is different.
So it's a radius shower, which is one of the weird.
No, it's not a radius shower.
Oh, it's just the top.
Yeah.
With like a fabric-y I've heard some people, like, these fall apart real bad real quick for some people. Oh, come on, come on.
It's interesting.
Very strange. I would probably just pull that out and
Just put a normal shower
put a
curtain.
curtain.
This is nice and deep here.
Holy.
Way back.
Wow.
Yeah, look, I mean, it's a super big
Oh, so we're on
space.
a slide now.
Yeah. Nice.
This holds up. Okay. Tons of room around the toilet.
Yep.
Like tons of room.
It's got a front window.
We're back to the dark stuff.
Yeah. Well,
So it's nice. In the bathroom, I didn't even realize that. In the bathroom, they have the kind of whitewashed, like country, kind of distressed. But up here, it's back to the dark. Yeah, so the store's all the way through. Like in the 312, we just have 3. Oh, so this tips up, so it's back behind that. I can't pull it up.
oh, okay. There's a window there. And then the wardrobe being on the slide
Windows
gives you
on
a little
both
bit of
sides.
space.
Nice big window there. AC in here. And then these are. It's just one
Pretty
big,
deep.
huge through, and then 2 big drawers. They're deep.
2 drawers.
They could be deeper. I can see space back there.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, those could be like 4 or 5 inches deeper.
Yeah.
Huh.
Big end tables though.
Okay.
Huge. Or nightstands. So this would be fine for 2 kids.
There's a backer here, so you
Yeah.
could put a TV in here.
And then the curved wall.
Yeah, so that
Which is
bunkhouse,
nice.
or so the mid bunk, that would be great if we just had the littles,
Yes.
right? Not too bad, not too bad. 2 doors is kind of weird.
Yeah.
I don't know which one I'd rather have.
I think not the one in the hallway.
I mean, if you had just this one, then you'd have even more storage in there. You could do like a full entertainment center or something.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, let's keep moving, see what else we see.
Okay.
All right, we got another open range. We got the 371 MBH. Another mid bunk.
This one does have a loft.
I think we've seen this one. It has a very tight little loft up there. Go ahead. Okay. So
This is nice.
here we go. So kitchen on that side. So now we've got windows on the camp side. Those are huge windows.
It's very tall in here.
Wow.
Yeah.
Look how tall this
This
slide
full
is.
profile.
I am 6 feet tall.
You are in the slide.
This is like a 7-foot inside slide. That is, wow. Yeah, so this is full profile.
Sorry.
And what that means is the ceiling height from the nose all the way to the rear does not change. It doesn't kink in the middle and come back down. So it's same height all the way through, which gives you these really, really tall ceilings in here.
I was hoping these like flipped up and like you would put books in there or something.
No, there's power outlets.
Yeah.
And there's
all
little-
that space back there.
There's little pegs for tables.
Yep.
Yeah, kind of a normal RV
Interesting
couch.
table or chairs, and there's like a stool. This,
That pops into a
up.
bench.
Yeah.
That chair turns into a bench. Oh yeah, it's out. Okay, so this one's out. So it's a chair that turns into a bench. So there are legs. There's another leg that pops down. That's clever.
That's very clever.
Yeah, because this is like a leaf. Like this extends in and out, right?
Mm-hmm. I like that.
Alrighty, so nice big, that's probably a 50 inch, maybe 55.
Maybe.
Yep. Little fireplace. Big.
Deep
Holy
storage.
moly. Huge storage in there. Even more storage behind the
Look
TV.
at these balances though.
We'll get
Balances are
to
like
those in a
10
second.
inches tall.
There's a ton of storage under here.
They're like
Guys.
2 of my hands tall.
Guys, what? Why? How much window is there?
10 inches of window
The
under
window
there.
goes to here. Why are you blocking half of your window?
Now this one, the window stops where the balance is.
Okay, so that's a little different. So that's not as bad. That's just kind
No,
of
but-
filling.
Take all this off.
Just kind of filling that. This is ridiculous. This is all of the counter space.
Yes.
It's a good amount. It's definitely a good amount, and you can put covers on there. And you can't use this as counter space unless you put some kind of surface on there. So we've got some kind of
Deep pantry
white
shelf.
distressed stuff going on here. Kind of a country style again, mixed with the dark. So at least you got some light. So we got drawers on one side and then cabinets.
And like, what do you put up here?
Stuff
I'm
you,
on my very tiptoes and I can't even like see in there.
I can't even.
I was thinking you might be able to access it from the loft because
I
then
know.
like
And
Tara
it-
could use it up at
And
the
it goes
top.
back down. Where's the floor?
I don't know.
I can't even touch anything.
I mean, like, do you put like your mixer and your? No, you can't even.
Oh
put,
my
like, your
lord,
Instant
no.
Pot and stuff
That's.
up there because you'd be like crunking your head.
I think that's where like extra linens go when you have a step stool.
Okay. Big, enormous fridge with water, ice, all that kind of stuff.
Yeah, it's a residential fridge. There's
This
a
is
strap on the
So
door.
this is different from the last one we were in because remember the last one was super
Yep.
high.
Yep.
I mean, I'm standing flat-footed and my arm is still bent and I can touch
Yeah.
the
So
ceiling.
again, I'm 6 feet tall, so this is like
2 more inches above
6'2",
you.
6'3", maybe.
Yeah. So we would have to build bunks in here.
Yeah, you could do like a bunk on the. You could do one on the floor and then one right below the window.
Yeah.
So another
So-
accordion door. Thank you. I like
This
the
is
accordion doors.
enormous. You could
This
fit.
is. You could put
all
two
of
more
everything.
children. Oh,
Yeah.
washer dryer hookup.
Is it in here?
Yeah, well, it's a dryer vent
Oh,
hole.
it is.
Yeah,
Okay, this is a little tight for putting the laundry in.
and then
but
a television back right here. It's a nice little. This could be a very good office.
This is a very good office or virtual school
Yep,
or anything
yep.
like that because you can just close that door.
Yeah.
All right, nice
All right.
long hallway.
No like shoe storage or built-in vac or anything.
No,
Okay, so the loft.
it's
So it's a ladder. Yeah. This is
like it's
the
maybe
height of
3
my
hand
arm.
heights.
Yeah. That's tight. That's real
There's a
tight.
place to put a TV up there, but not a lot of storage.
Yeah.
Again, we would probably take the big mattress out and put something smaller.
Oh, here we go. Light. What a novel idea. Is there a light switch down there? Okay. If there's a switch, we don't know where it is. Bathroom's got light. So what is this?
Yeah, there's 2 lights in this
Oh,
hallway.
shallow. Oh, that's for up here.
Hmm.
Okay, are the controls in here? Controls are in here, and they're lit. I like the little light.
That's clever.
That's nice, because you're not always coming in the daytime.
Yeah.
Alrighty.
We can come in the bedroom and go out the bathroom.
There's a ton of room around this slide.
This is
Normally
big.
it's really tight through here, and a little snug over there. This is,
There's a lot of room. This
Yeah.
feels spacious.
so it's not a walk-in,
No.
but it has big drawers. I'd rather have the big drawers to be able to walk in, because you're going to be putting stuff on the floor anyway. You may as well have drawers to keep it organized.
Another big room with the accordion door.
And because the washer dryer hookups are in the mid bunk,
The mid bunk.
you have even more storage in here.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, this is nice. Bed does not appear to tip up or anything.
Mm-mm.
That's a king, definitely.
Yep, that's a king.
No good CPAP spot.
No good CPAP spot.
No, because this door is in the way here, so you couldn't even put a shelf on the wall.
Nope.
Okay, and then the bathroom. Bunch of drawers right there. A lot of
I
room.
think of
A
this
lot of room in
as kind
front
of
of the
like a
toilet.
vanity because you can put all your makeup there.
Okay.
And then you have the mirror overhead. It's not very lit. But
Okay. And then ton of room in front of the toilet. That's nice. And a shower. Good size shower. With the triple glass sliding doors. We have those in our rig. I like those.
Those are nice.
Yep. And then there's a towel hook or towel. You could put. You got walls for days in here.
Yeah, but you know, with the
Turkish
Turkish
towels.
towels?
Yep. These Turkish towels are amazing.
you should get some if you don't have them.
Alrighty. So
There's some nice features, but this is not a perfect rig for us.
no. I like the front better than the last one.
Yes.
This is the outside part. So they have a built-in kitchen with a little pull-out, like, not Blackstone in there. With a little sink. So this slides out so you can use it. Sink is stuck in there, a little cube fridge. But so you don't have the big pass-through you normally see in a fiber, but you can access it here. It does go all the way to the other side. So you do have big storage, but you get most of it from the off-camp side, which is not ideal, but it's okay. And then you got the big one in the nose. I'm assuming you can put a generator there. Okay, so that's 2 of the mid-bunk options that Open Range has.
Mm-hmm.
Not bad. Not bad.
Some things
Definitely,
we like, some
definitely
things we
things I would want to change. I like the second one much better.
Yes.
The living room is huge, and it's also, because it's full profile, it's going to be heavier. It's going to be a bigger, more expensive rig.
Mm-hmm. And up front, the bedroom is much nicer.
Much nicer bedroom. The mid-bunk, while not as tall, did have the loft above, but
Not big enough for Tara.
not big enough for an
Tall enough.
11-year-old, almost 12-year-old.
Yeah.
So the search continues. We're going to end this video here, and we will see you guys in the next one. We have a bunch more coming from the Tampa show. Bye, guys.
Bye.